Hey there, fellow travelers. Ever wondered what it's like to step into a city where the future meets the ancient past? Well, pack your bags because today we're diving into the stunning world of Dubai. First up, let's talk about the showstopper, the Burj Khalifa. This architectural marvel isn't just the tallest building in the world, it's a testament to human ambition and ingenuity. Standing at 828 meters, its sleek, futuristic design truly pierces the sky. Imagine taking an elevator ride to the observation deck on the 148th floor. The view? Absolutely breathtaking. Next, let's glide over to the Burj Al Arab. Shaped like a sail, this luxurious hotel epitomizes Dubai's commitment to grandeur and elegance. From its opulent interiors to its world-class amenities, the Burj Al Arab is a symbol of ultimate luxury, and trust me, it's even more dazzling in person. And who can forget the Palm Jumeirah? This man-made island is a true marvel of engineering. Shaped like a palm tree, it adds a dazzling coastal panorama to Dubai's already impressive skyline. Whether you're strolling along the boardwalk or enjoying the view from above, the Palm Jumeirah is nothing short of spectacular. But Dubai's allure doesn't end with its futuristic skyline. The golden desert dunes meeting the azure waters of the Persian Gulf create a landscape of contrasts. Picture this: pristine beaches, shimmering waterfronts, and a serene escape from the urban hustle. It's the perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Now let's take a step back in time. Dubai's bustling souks are a vibrant kaleidoscope of spices, textiles, and jewelry. These markets offer a glimpse into traditional Arabian culture amidst the city's modernity. The aromas, the colors, the sounds, it's a sensory experience like no other. For those of you who love history, the Dubai Museum and the historic Al Fahidi Fort are must-visits. These cultural landmarks provide a window into the city's rich heritage. Walking through the museum's exhibits, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for Dubai's journey from a humble fishing village to a global metropolis. But hey, it's not all history and architecture. Dubai's dynamic art scene, luxury shopping, and world-class dining add layers of sophistication. From contemporary galleries to high-end boutiques, there's always something new to discover. And when it comes to food, Dubai's culinary scene is a melting pot of flavors from around the world. Bon appetit! Last but not least, let's stroll through the Miracle Garden. This lush, man-made wonder is home to intricate floral displays that are nothing short of magical. Imagine walking among millions of flowers arranged in stunning patterns and shapes. It's a perfect example of how Dubai blends innovation with natural beauty. So, there you have it, folks. Dubai is a city of contrasts and wonders, where the past meets the future in the most dazzling way. Whether you're an adventurer, a history buff, or just someone looking for a bit of luxury, Dubai has something for everyone. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Until the next time, happy travel.